Hello, good morning students. Children, as you know, we have already started with prepositions. By now I think you have seen the previous modules on prepositions and you know what is preposition. Prepositions are the words which tell you where or something, where, when something has been done or where or when someone has done something is okay. It is actually the relationship between the two nouns or pronouns. Like the things, if I say that prepositions are the words which tell you where something or someone is located, it is called preposition of place. Preposition of place. It tells you where the things are located or kept, or you can see them, or where someone is means you can see he is there. So this is what preposition is all about. Now the words of preposition of place we are going to discuss now. There are different types of prepositions. We will discuss first the preposition of place. Now children, remember, preposition of place tells us where someone or something is located, okay, and there are different words which can be used as preposition of place. First I will tell you that if I say that the book is kept in the back, now it is telling you that where the books are kept. So it is the location of the book. My house is near the hospital. So it is telling you that where your house, where his or her house is located, where you can find the person's house. Okay. My mother is in the kitchen. Now that tells you that where your mother is. So the words which tell you the location of a person or a thing is called the preposition of place. Okay. Preposition is when this relationship between the two things or two people. Okay. Like my mother is talking to me. What is the relationship now, just now, between my mother and me? It is talking to me, to. To is the preposition. Okay. My father is sitting on the chair. Now where is your father? Where you can find your father? On the chair. So the relationship between father and the chair, on, is preposition of place. Now children, there are many words which can be used as preposition of a place. I will show you a list of words. I hope you can see it. There are many words of preposition and they are preposition of place, like above, after, by, beneath, next to, beside, next, close to, between, among, in front of, behind, across, under, below, over, and there are many. As you write the sentences, you will understand when to use which preposition. So these are all preposition of place. Like I tell you, above. Now when do we use above? A-B-O-V-E. Above is used at a higher place or position than somebody. Means when somebody is standing or someone is standing and the things higher to that position is used as above. Like our friends in the apartment above us are really noisy, means the people who live above me. Okay. So it is higher position. Okay. That is above. There is a room above my house, or there is a terrace garden above my house, means higher position. After, one follows the other, you know. When you say after, he ran after her to take the book, or the dog ran after me to show his happiness, or the dog ran after me, or the cat ran after the mouse. So it shows one follows the other. By, 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 okay, near or the side of, sit beside me, or the telephone is by the window, or the table is kept by the window. Okay, so it shows nearly. I am sitting by my mother. Okay, means near my mother. Beneath, beneath, under someone or something. When something is under someone or something, like above is placed higher, beneath is lower, under someone. We lay beside the pool to dry off in the sun. So, under someone or something. Jasmine hid the letter beneath a pile of books. So beneath means underneath, means you have a lot of books, and in between the books you have kept it beneath. Okay. Next is beside, at the side of someone or something. We lay beside the pool to dry off the sun, dry off in the sun. So beside, there is a bed beside my room, or beside my bed, there is a bed beside me. Okay, near or close, a short distance from a person or thing. There is a bush near our house, or near our school playground. Now between is, as you know, that yesterday only I showed you that with two things, there was a ball in between those two boxes. Similarly, in middle of two things or places, there is a gulf between the two cities, or there is a hospital between the two houses. Okay, among, in the middle of, or surrounded by other people or things. The girl quickly disappeared among them, means among the crowd. So in the middle or surrounded. We could not recognize her because she was among the strangers. So with middle or surrounded by people. In front of, you know, that also I showed you that picture, far forward or something else. They park their car in front of the mall. Behind, as you know, back, as you can see, our green board or smart board is behind me. So at the back of somebody or something. Okay, the horse fell behind the race, means he was moving very slow and last. Across, in a position facing somebody or something, across. Okay, like the bridge is built across the river, or it is showing you that opposite. Okay, under or below or lower, as you know, under, we slept under the open sky, or the book is, or the dustbin is under my table. Below, in a lower place or position from something, he died below the surface of the water. Over or something is covering, like she held the umbrella over both of us, something covering over. Okay, you remember above and over. Over is when something is covering you, or and above is somewhere higher than your height. So these are some of the preposition or place. There are many preposition, children. As you do the sentences and exercise, you will be able to comprehend and understand where to use which